Here we are at the AFMBIOMED conference, which is really a great conference. It really stands out in being a focused conference that brings together biomedical, biophysical, biological applications of AFM. For us at Bruker, it's a very interesting opportunity to interact with the community, see where leaders in the field see it going. This year, right here in Krakow, we're launching a new version of Bioscope Resolve, one which lets you do new things, and it lets you really for the first time get statistical data on live cell samples.
What's exciting about this meeting is that often people are presenting work that has not been published yet and may not be published for 6 months, a year, even longer. So you really have the opportunity to see work long before the rest of the world does.
This is a particularly really good meeting. You can really have a one-to-one relationship with a lot of the people that are talking here. Just today, right, I've learned so much. You know, I try to keep up with the literature. In the old days in AFM, maybe there were 50 researchers in the world, and today there are thousands of researchers.
Biomedical area was #1 on the horizon of force microscopy right after it was created. We are, as a community in biomedical application, we are trying to kind of shape the best what we can offer to medical community to gain their attention, interest, and that's, I think, very important.
I really think that now it's really time to go out of our lab. We can already apply this technology to other fields and help biologists, for example, or people in medicines to answer big questions, and I think it's the time now.
I think the less obvious thing with a meeting like this one is you also have an opportunity to interact a little bit more informally with other participants, so get into detailed conversations about work that you're doing.
Many collaborations starts from meetings like this. A well-organized coffee break is the most important thing on a meeting, because one might say today you could use Skype or mail or phone and get in contact with people, but that's not the same.
A conference like the AFMBIOMED, which has some history, I think it's the 8th conference now, brings together on a regular basis the same type of people, or the same group of people, so you can really discuss your results. This is the benefit of a small community, of a close community, which meets regularly and in a very open way.